This is an XESP pick alert on electronic servitor pub, symbol XESP. Don't you love that? ESP with an X. Anyway, we got the XESP alert on this on a material definitive agreement on January 2nd. If you look at their activities, she has really done nothing yet. So this kind of fell between the cracks. And I thought I would show this to you because I think it's pretty cool. So anyway, here's the 8K electronic servitor and dated, what's the date? It's always hard to find the date on these. Oh, here it is, December 22nd. But they didn't release it till the 2nd of January. They've got time. So anyway, this is very interesting. Look at this. Completion and acquisition or acquisition or disposition of assets. What these guys did is they had an asset purchase and paid 2.5 million for these two companies here. Agreement and plan of merger. This is a merger. So you got here consummation of the asset purchase agreement. The company shall be surviving corporation and the capital stock of Pointword. This is one of the companies that's merging in. You've got Pointword and then another one. Let me see. Phytech. Phytech is the other one, and Pointword. And you got this guy named Greg Shockey, which we'll look at him in a second. Proprietary technology held by Pointword and Phytech. Now this is advertising, okay? It's some kind of digital user engagement stuff that's pretty cool. Proprietary technology, digital engagement engine. So this is what's moving in. You got your asset purchase and all this other stuff, financials, blah blah. Thomas Bruce, Chief Operations Officer. So if we look at, so anyway, this is pretty cool. This is a merger. So if we look at, if we push the filings button, I've already pushed it, so we're here. Here's your SEC filing. So this is the 8K right here. But look at this, a Form 3. And this is from, oh, look at that. Here's is the Gregory Shockey guy, okay? He was with Pointword or whatever. But look how many shares he's got. He's got almost 9 million shares direct, okay? So what that means is these guys have got skin in the game, all right? They've got their shares. So 9 million, and if we look at DDAmanda, where we see, okay, here's your authorized 100 million, OS 22. So this Greg guy's got almost half, and 8 million in the float, okay? And their market cap is 3.3 million, all right? But like I said, they have not done anything yet, and hopefully we can change that because I like this. This could go places. And look at this drag ratio, 24. What this means is she's 24 times, it's 24 times easier for her to go up than down based on, you know, our proprietary drag, which is pretty cool. And you guys are getting in more or less with me. I've picked up a few shares, but nobody else has really noticed this, as you can see from the activity. Level 2, let's take a quick gander at level 2. Like, she didn't trade anything today. Level 2, here we go. So let's look at EX. I was looking at NVBE. I love this symbol, XESP. Come on, XESP. These guys right here. Nah, we don't see it. It's kind of a spread. Anyway, it's somewhere between 12 and 17 cents. But anyway, yeah, that's all I got on it. Nobody's saying anything about it. Oh wait, we do have one guy saying something about it on iHub. Trader Ron. Trader Ron is talking about it. And I did a few posts, but I wasn't getting any traction. Right here, recent merger, new AI ad tech. Nobody's paying attention to it. So I think she has some really, really good possibilities here, guys. Uh, yeah, did a few posts here, Trader Ron. And anyway, sounds pretty interesting. I think there's going to be some more developments here. And anyway, check it out. And thank you for watching, and have a good night. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.